What was supposed to be a day of love and celebration ended in heartbreak and tragedy. This heartbreaking story is about a woman named Portia whose life was tragically cut short by her own husband on her birthday. According to reports, her husband had planned a surprise bride to celebrate her special day. But when Portia came home from work with gifts from her colleagues, she told him that she would rather go out and celebrate with a friend. The two allegedly argued, but she eventually left the house. Later that night, her husband tried calling her several times, but she didn't answer. Portia only returned home around 6 in the morning and went straight to the bathroom. Her husband followed him, still upset and suspicious. That's when he took her phone and made a shocking discovery. He found out that Portia hadn't been out with her friend, but he had actually spent the night with her manager. Overcome by anger and betrayal, the husband reportedly shot her 5 times, killing her instantly. After the incident, he got into his car, drove to the nearest police station, and handed himself over along with the phone that contained the evidence. May Portia's soul rest in peace. May this serve as a reminder that controlling your anger will save you a lot of problems.